What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we're going to talk about target transitions. Let's go. Like I said, family, today we're going to talk about target transitions and how to transition between multiple targets. A lot of people, when they're transitioning from different targets, they like to move their body and their firearm at the same time. But in fact, that's the wrong way you want to do things. Because what if you're transitioning to a target where what you perceive as a target, but it's not actually a target? Your firearm is already pointed at that person or that target that's not really a target, and it can go downhill from there. So what you want to do is, once you fire this shot at your intended target, move your head and your eyes, and then move your firearm. Target, target, target. Move your head and then your firearm. Don't do it opposite. Don't move your firearm, then your head. Simply press out. Let your eyes and your head lead the way. Target, target, target. That's the way you engage multiple targets, just to ensure a target is actually a target. Enough talking. I know you guys want to see some range footage, so let's head over to the range and demonstrate.
All right, guys, we have two targets set up. At one target here, one target here. As we went over earlier, when you're transitioning between targets, you want to make sure your head goes, then the firearm goes. Your eyes, your head are scanning, target, scanning, target, target. Do not leave with your firearm and then bring your eyes, because at that point it'll be too late. So what you want to do is let your brain process, then the firearm move. Let's demonstrate. All right, as you guys saw, while I was shooting, I was letting my eyes and my head lead the way. Let's go ahead and try that one more time. Again, watch my head and watch my eyes. Let's go. All right, as you guys saw, my head and my eyes were moving before the firearm actually moves. So when you're transitioning targets, make sure your eyes see the target before your firearm does. All right?
Yes, sir. So like I said, when you're going between multiple targets, make sure your head and your eyes lead the way. Do not let your firearm lead the way. Be sure to check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's Dwight.